Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel for senior health and wellness. If you're over 60 and think your best days of strength are behind you, I've got some great news. Building and maintaining muscle is not only possible, it's easier and cheaper than you might think. You don't need fancy, expensive supplements or protein powders. The secret is right in your kitchen, hiding in plain sight in your everyday breakfast foods. So, why does this matter so much after 60? As we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass, a process called soreness. This can happen faster after we hit our 60s, affecting our strength, mobility, and even our balance. But here's the powerful part: we can fight back with the right nutrition. A protein-rich breakfast is your first line of defense. It kickstarts your muscle-building engine for the day and gives you the steady energy you need to stay active and independent. In today's video, we're diving into 7 amazing, budget-friendly breakfast foods that can help you build muscle better than many supplements. Stick around, because you'll learn exactly what to eat to feel stronger and more energetic every single day. Before we jump in, a quick reminder: these are general wellness tips. If you have specific health conditions like kidney issues or diabetes, it's always best to chat with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. Now, let's get started. First up, at the number 1 spot, is the incredible, edible egg. Eggs are a true powerhouse of nutrition and one of the best foods for muscle support. Each large egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is the essential building block for muscle tissue. What makes egg protein so special is its complete amino acid profile, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own. This makes it incredibly efficient for muscle repair and growth. Plus, eggs are packed with other vital nutrients for seniors. They're a great source of vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and muscle function, and choline, which supports brain health. And let's talk about cost. A dozen eggs is one of the most affordable sources of high-quality protein you can find at the grocery store. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or as an omelette stuffed with veggies, incorporating just 2 eggs into your breakfast is a fantastic way to meet your morning protein needs and set yourself up for a strong, active day. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly effective. Next, let us talk about another breakfast champion that's easy on your wallet and fantastic for your muscles: Greek yogurt. Forget those sugary fruit-and-obertum yogurts for a moment and let's focus on plain Greek yogurt. This isn't your average yogurt. It's strained to remove most of the whey, which results in a thicker, creamier product that's absolutely loaded with protein. A single serving can contain up to 20 grams of protein, which is double what you'd find in regular yogurt. This massive protein punch is perfect for stimulating muscle protein synthesis, especially in the morning after a long night of fasting. The protein in Greek yogurt is also primarily casein, which is a slow-digesting protein. This means it provides a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles over several hours, helping to prevent muscle breakdown and keeping you feeling full and satisfied until lunch. It's also a great source of calcium for bone strength and probiotics for a healthy gut. For a budget-friendly muscle-building breakfast, a bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with a few berries is tough to beat. You're getting a high-protein meal for less than $1 per serving that outperforms many expensive supplements. Alright, our third muscle-building hero is a humble classic: oatmeal. But we're not talking about those sugary instant packets. We're talking about whole rolled oats or steel-cut oats. A bowl of oatmeal is not only comforting and affordable, but it's also a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and a surprising amount of protein. A cup of cooked oatmeal gives you about 6 grams of protein and a good dose of carbs that provide sustained energy for your daily activities and workouts. This combination of protein and carbs is a winning formula for muscle health. The carbohydrates replenish your muscles' energy stores, known as glycogen, while the protein helps with repair and growth. Plus, oats are rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which is great for heart health as it can help lower cholesterol. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. To boost the protein content even further, try making your oatmeal with milk instead of water, or stir in a spoonful of Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts. It's the perfect foundation for a powerful, energy-sustaining breakfast. Now, let's talk about combining these foods for maximum benefit. Creating breakfast combos is a brilliant strategy to boost both your energy and mobility. Think of it as creating a team where each food plays a specific role. For example, let's pair our number one food, eggs, with a slice of whole wheat toast and some avocado. The eggs provide high-quality protein for muscle repair. The whole wheat toast offers complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, fueling your muscles for any activity you have planned, whether it's a walk, gardening, or playing with your grandkids. The healthy fats from the avocado help with joint lubrication and reduce inflammation, which is key for good mobility. Another fantastic combo is Greek yogurt, with berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, like chia seeds or walnuts. The yogurt delivers that big protein hit. The berries are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, while the nuts and seeds add more protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combination doesn't just build muscle, it supports your entire body, from your joints to your brain. These simple pairings create a synergistic effect, giving you a breakfast that's far more powerful than any single food on its own. They provide the perfect balance of macronutrients to keep you feeling strong, energized, and moving with ease throughout the day. As we get older, managing everyday aches and soreness becomes more important. Chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle pain and slow down recovery. The good news is, your breakfast can be a powerful tool to help reduce it. Let's talk about foods that fight inflammation. Topping our list are berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These little fruits are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Adding a handful to your oatmeal or Greek yogurt is an easy and delicious way to combat inflammation. Another excellent choice is nuts and seeds, particularly walnuts and flax seeds. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat renowned for its ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Sprinkling a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or a few chopped walnuts over your breakfast can make a real difference. And don't forget about spices. Turmeric, the golden spice often used in curries, contains a compound called curcumin, which is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories available. Try adding a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to your scrambled eggs. The pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin more effectively. By incorporating these foods into your morning routine, you're not just building muscle, you're actively helping your body recover faster and feel better. Now that we've covered what you should be eating, it's just as important to talk about what to avoid in the morning. Certain breakfast choices can actually work against your muscle-building goals and drain your energy. The biggest culprits are sugary cereals, pastries like donuts and croissants, and sweetened juices. These foods are loaded with refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. While they might give you a quick burst of energy, it's followed by a rapid crash that leaves you feeling tired and hungry again in no time. This blood sugar roller coaster is terrible for your energy levels and can contribute to inflammation and fat storage, which is the opposite of what we want when trying to build muscle. These foods also offer very little protein or fiber, so they do nothing to support muscle repair or keep you full. Think of them as empty calories that take up space in your diet without providing real nutritional value. Swapping a sugary bowl of cereal for a protein-packed bowl of oatmeal, or a pastry for a couple of eggs, is one of the most impactful changes you can make for your morning routine. It's about choosing foods that fuel your body for strength and vitality, not just for a fleeting moment of sweetness. So, how do we put all of this together? Let's build the perfect senior-friendly breakfast plate for muscle building. A great rule of thumb is to focus on 3 key components: protein, fiber-rich carbs, and healthy fats. This trio will give you the building blocks for muscle, sustained energy, and support for your overall health. First, anchor your plate with a solid protein source. Aim for about 20 to 30 grams of protein. This could be 2 or 3 scrambled eggs, a generous scoop of Greek yogurt, or a portion of cottage cheese. This is your muscle-building foundation. Next, add a fiber-rich carbohydrate. This will provide the energy your muscles need to function and help you feel full. Good choices include a bowl of oatmeal, a slice of 100% whole wheat toast, or some quinoa. These complex carbs release energy slowly, preventing those sugar crashes. Finally, include a source of healthy fats. This is crucial for joint health, reducing inflammation, and absorbing certain vitamins. A quarter of an avocado, a sprinkle of walnuts or chia seeds on your yogurt, or cooking your eggs in a little olive oil are all excellent options. A perfect plate might look like this: a 2-egg omelette with spinach and a sprinkle of turmeric, alongside a slice of whole wheat toast with avocado, or a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with blueberries and a tablespoon of walnuts. By building your breakfast around these three components, you create a delicious, balanced and powerful meal that sets you up for a day of strength and energy. Building and maintaining muscle after 60 is a journey, and it starts with a smart, simple breakfast. It's incredible how these affordable, everyday foods can make such a profound difference in our strength, energy, and overall quality of life. I hope these tips have shown you that you do not need to spend a lot of money to invest in your health. Which of these breakfast foods is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're cooking up in the morning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more daily senior health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier you.